Multu regla tosu?
Tommy Rig.
Deal with agus fáilte arash. In this video, I'm very grateful to be joined by my nephew, AJ, who's going to show off some of the Irish he's been learning in school. The Irish for nephew is Nia. And that's easy to remember because Nia has 3 letters, just like the boy has 3 letters. And Neacht is the Irish for niece, Neacht. So, cad is samted?
AJ Sandra.
Agus conas atá
Tommy Gaheen Talk.
Man fear. Agus cén issue.
Tommy Shot Molina Dish.
Okay. And Céir Faoin Dana. What about the colours? Can you tell me all the colours in Irish?
Arashta.
Okay, what's that?
Orange.
Boy.
Kerkra, which is purple. Bon Darug, which is pink.
Okay.
Darug, which is red. Bon, which is white. Gurm, which is blue. Gloss, which is green. It's grey.
What's grey again?
Leon?
Leah?
I think it is.
I think it's Leah.
I think Leon's grey.
What about yellow?
Yellow. My favourite colour, by the way.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. And what school are you in?
St. Aidan's.
And what's that in Irish?
Navi.
Nave
Aidan.
Adon.
Nave Aidan.
Nave Adon. And do you like Irish?
Yes.
Is it your favourite subject?
Not my favourite, but like my third.
Your third favourite?
Yeah.
What's your other 2 favourites?
My second favourite is writing.
Okay.
My
Excrete.
favourite is maths.
Okay. Excrete. That's mathematics. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you say I like Irish? Ismalam.
Ismalam Irish?
Oh, Gael.
Oh, Gaelga.
Yeah. Ismalam Gael.
Ismalam Gaelga.
That's right. Gaelga.
Gaelga.
Or Isbralam Gaelga.
Branham.
I really like. I love Irish.
Yep.
Okay. So that brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully AJ will join me again in the future for more videos. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Mil buenas, agus slán tam. I'd say thank you and goodbye.
Girl Matagat.
Goodbye and goodbye.
Bye.
Slán.
Fly.
Slán. Gar mil mágad.